You are playing business, huh? Okay. Oh, too much of wind out there. And for you guys also there is a surprise. We have a guest, a cute guest. I will show you in some time.
Yeah.
नमस्ते जी, कैसे हो आप लोग? I hope all of you are staying healthy, and for me also it's like after 2 months I am vlogging. Last trip was Goa. That was also last week of March. Right after that the second wave of COVID started, and followed by a lockdown, and still we are expecting at least a week or so, right? Will be lockdown will be there, or maybe 2 weeks, we don't know. In case if you will plan for any trip, it will be a kind of camping trip where there will be zero contact. Let's see how it goes, but at least for today we will feel the camping experience in our rooftop. And yeah, today is Sunday, and we will also start with a delicious lunch. So let's start preparing it. Ayushman busy in study.
Yeah.
What Ayushman, what are you studying?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And Ayushman also, he helps us in cooking. Huh? He will help less and but experiment more.
Yeah.
Detergent with vinegar, vinegar with color, haldi, turmeric, everything mix. What kind of color coming? All those kind of experiment he is doing.
Yeah.
Most of the time you have seen my wife cooking while outdoor, right? But even I know cooking, and I love to cook. Cooking is one of my hobby as well. So today the lunch we will prepare at home, but dinner we will prepare the terrace. We will get a camping feeling, right? So mostly Sunday we will cook non-veg. Sunday, Friday and Wednesday, and the rest of the day veg. So today we are preparing mutton. And by the way, we are not covering the recipe and all. Hope you guys are aware we have a cooking channel, and in that channel you will get only recipes, no talking. And yeah, the link is in description box. You can go and check it out. ऐसे हमारा जो कुकिंग चैनल है ना, वो कुकिंग चैनल का सारा रेसिपी तो वाइफ का ही है. वाइफ खुद बनाती है.
आज बना रहे स्पेशल मटन करी. वैसे ही मुझे तो कुछ नहीं आता था, यही सब सिखा रहे हैं मुझे.
मेरा तो कुकिंग पहले से ही फेवरेट है, हॉबी है, और खास करके नॉनवेज होता है तो मैं हमेशा आ जाता हूँ बनाने के लिए. और अभी एडिटिंग भी सीख गए, तो कुकिंग चैनल का जितना भी एडिटिंग सब कुछ वाइफ का ही है. ओके, अभी तो 15 मिनट में हो जाएगा. सीटी आने के बाद मिलते हैं 15 मिनट के बाद.
थोड़ा कर दूंगा. किंदी.
हे पापा, ये होगा वो कर दो.
मिडल जा.
Ayushman's favorite is mango
Yeah.
with rice, huh?
Yeah.
Need completely one mango. आ गया हमारा वाला फेवरेट मटन.
It's my favorite.
Which one? Mango your favorite, huh?
Mutton.
Mutton is not your favorite, na? We will not give you.
Why?
That is not your favorite.
No. No. No.
See, Ayushman already finished one slice of mango, huh? Before starting his lunch.
Yeah.
लेकिन यार नीचे बैठ के हाथ में खाने का मजा ना स्पून और डाइनिंग टेबल में नहीं. फ्रेंड के घर पे भी जाता हूँ ना, तो डाइनिंग टेबल में देता है तो लेके मैं नीचे आ जाता हूँ, नीचे बैठ के खाता हूँ। वो एक सेटिस्फेक्शन रहता है यार खुद का। तो लंच कर रहे हैं आज घर पे, डिनर होगा छत पे। हाँ, एंड फॉर यू गाइस आल्सो देयर इज अ सरप्राइज। वी हैव अ गेस्ट, a cute guest. I will show you in some time.
Yeah. It'll be very cute.
Very cute guest. Okay, wait for it. Now let's meet the new guest. Okay. Hey, come here, come here. See this one. Huh? This one. Hey, I will not give you. This is my mic. This is my mic. Huh? This is mic, and what is this? Huh? What is this one? I will not give you this one. Happy? His name is Happy.
Yeah.
Huh?
He's cute.
Hey, 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 hey.
Goodbye.
Huh? Happy is a good boy. Yes, Happy is a good boy.
He's trying to eat my head.
See?
Here, he's trying to eat those.
Yeah. See, he need this one. Somehow he need this one, huh? See?
No.
Happy is a beagle close to 3 months old. Yeah, I think within 10 days he will turn into 3 months.
16. 16 not in this.
Happy, come here. Happy.
It is. And it is not my dog, it is my friend's dog.
Yeah. Mukil's dog.
Happy. His favorite toy set. Happy. His favorite toy set.
No.
He only need that one, yes.
The favorite toy is this. The favorite toy is this
Yeah,
of Happy.
favorite toy.
He's my best friend.
Yeah, Mukil is his best friend, yeah. From childhood they are together.
Yeah. Yeah, we are. In the same building.
Yeah.
So, we became friends.
Another favorite one. Happy's favorite toy. चलो यार, कैंपिंग का सारे आइटम लेके आते हैं क्योंकि वो तो गाड़ी में ही रहता है और इतने दिन से गाड़ी तो निकला नहीं, लगभग 2 महीना हो गया। ए आयुष्मान, लेट्स गो एंड गेट द कैंपिंग आइटम्स।
We were playing.
ए व्हाट, हैप्पी स्टिल हियर?
We were playing hide and seek with him.
हाइड एंड सीक, विद हैप्पी।
Happy is a seeker. We are the hiders.
Okay, we'll get camping item. After that, we'll go to terrace. Okay, with Happy. Let's go. I'll get it all the camping equipments. Okay. Not lift. No use of lift now. Okay. Let's go. Okay, bhai sahab. This is our toilet. Okay. One day I will give you full detail about it. This is the tent. Okay. What else we need? I think tawa is also here. Vehicle only. This also required. Gas is main, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go behind. Yeah. Let's go behind.
Our camping gas.
Yeah. Even we will take some plates.
Yeah, for eating. Or something like that.
Done. Okay, let's go now to the terrace. This side.
Sunlight is too much. Sunlight.
See who also came with us?
Happy! We can hear. Happy! Come! Run, Happy! Run! We stay here forever. We did here. Badminton racket. Our badminton racket is not here. Oh.
Happy? Happy? Happy?
Happy one. Come on, go to play. I will also come. I need to bring this water.
What a perfect weather today. Are you able to see the golden sky? It's really amazing. अगर हम फॉरेस्ट में होते तो बहुत मज़ा आ जाता है. वैसे फॉरेस्ट में ही है, कंक्रीट वाला जंगल में है. एनीवे देखते हैं यार कब तक ये लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होगा ताकि हम जा सके कोई कैंपिंग ट्रिप में फिर से. अभी फ़िलहाल सनसेट हो गया है तो हम कैंप लगाते हैं, कैंप सेटअप करेंगे, उसके बाद खाना वाना बनाना शुरू करेंगे. ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट. हैप्पी योर टाइम टू गो होम नाउ. ओके you need to go home so that we can start cooking. Huh? You don't want to go home? We just put him inside because he just swallowing everything whatever is there down, and you need to constantly keep track of, otherwise it will be a dangerous situation. That's why we want to send him back so that we can cook.
I think one of my toys was raining water.
So we did our tent setup. Now time to prepare our dinner. We'll just keep it simple, veg pulao and paneer matar masala. So we are starting now, and kids are enjoying here. What you guys are playing?
Playing business.
You are playing business, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, too much of wind out there. Excellent.
I have an idea. What idea? Bring carom board. That be not heavy also.
God only can finish.
आज ना वेदर भी काफ़ी मस्त है, मतलब हवा चल रहा है. इट्स रियली कूल वेदर. अगर बारिश का होता क्लाउडी तो ये वाला एंटरटेनमेंट थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाता. या टमाटोस विल कट. ऑलरेडी पुलाव वी पुट इट इन प्रेशर कुकर, and meanwhile we are preparing for paneer masala, matar paneer actually. So veg pulao is ready. We will start preparing paneer now. Where is oil? Yes. What is the condition of our veg pulao? Let's see. Okay, looks good. Only thing is how much soft and not, that we need to check. Yeah, little softer only this time looks like. Yeah. Anyway, that's okay. Every time it cannot be perfect, but it's okay only. That's not that much. Little bit more soft. Okay, let's taste a bit. Taste is really good. Only thing is little softer, But this is okay. Yes, okay. Kids are there, right? So our dinner is also ready. It's 9 o'clock now, and we will have it. Kids, get ready. Wash your hand.
Cleaning.
Okay, cleaning the tent, huh? Okay, because the tent is not looks like tent, something else from inside.
Paper all over the tent.
Huh?
Pieces inside.
Paper, huh? All over, yeah. Business all over.
She'll finish and then she can ask. Half-an hour inko. That also could be.
Not eat capsicum.
So, how is the taste?
Very good.
Nice, huh? Good, very good. Iceman only will take time. Huh?
अटके दे दी भात
आपको इतनी देर लगी हो?
she already तारा finish कर दी थी dinner.
Fishy. मजा आ गया. Even dinner was also delicious, and the entire day we thoroughly enjoyed. Nowadays, anyway, we can't go outside, and to keep the kids engaged, right? This is one of the best option. And the climate was also really good and full of wind. We feel like we should sleep here as well. And yeah, I think that's all for today. If so far you have watched, right, don't forget to press the like button. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Next week we'll see you in a new vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.